Who am I when I am alone? You need me, don't leave me. When no one is near and nothing is here to be fulfilled. You need me, don't leave me. Am I freer, or are the chains that hold me back fused together with my body, mind, and heart? Who am I when I am alone? Am I freer? Who am I? You'll never be free. At least not from me. Is it worth it? Is it worth it? Memories are like a box of yarn, passed down from generation to generation, locked away until you slowly unravel each spool to weave into something new, something beautiful, something glorious. But these are not your standard spools of yarn. You'll mistake each string of thread with the thorns of a rose bush. Thread by thread, you bleed and bruise until you can no longer. Thread by thread, bloody bruised, my fingers pruned. Thread by thread, tick-tock, the bandage will work just fine. Thread by thread, I worry it will be no da-da-da. Even if it leads to clarity, shall I leave the tangled mess of familiarity for the tangled mess of growth? I am left with spools and spools and spools of yarn to unravel, and I'm angry. I am angrily fighting battles inflicted on me by infected hearts and minds, and it's painful. It's never ending. I've never been one to believe that violence creates peace. Winning does not mean destroying you. Instead, let's learn to coexist, us two. If I destroy you, I destroy myself. Learn, live, coexist, and relinquish the power you hold over me. Learn, live, coexist, and relinquish the power you hold over me. Learn, live, coexist, and relinquish the power you hold over me. Learn, live, coexist, and relinquish. They tease us by dangling hope in front of our weary eyes until it gets close enough for us to touch it, but then it disappears and that hope becomes a veil thinly draped over darkness. For the longest time, I thought you were the reason for that darkness. That's what they want. They want us to fight because they know we are both strong enough to weaken each other. But after years of fighting, I realized your purpose is far from malicious. follow me like a guardian angel, because you do not trust the world around me. But you forget your love is so stifling. And as I grow, my armor grows thicker, my garden grows larger, my heart grows heavier, and the darkness grows into a rainbow. Instead of fighting you, I will nourish you, I will accept you, and I will love you. We will unravel this yarn together. For every spool of yarn we chant,